In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an email in Gmail. If you've ever written an email and wanted it to arrive later instead of right away, scheduling it is a really helpful feature. It's perfect when you want to prepare a message in advance, send something during business hours, or simply make sure your email goes out at the most appropriate time. The good news is that Gmail makes this process quick and easy. To get started, open Gmail and click Compose to begin a new email. This will open a new message window where you can draft your email just like you normally would. Take your time writing your message clearly and make sure you add your recipients in the correct field before moving on. It's always a good idea to quickly review the subject line, the body of the email, and the recipient list so everything is accurate before scheduling. Once your email is ready, look for the blue send button at the bottom of the Compose window. Instead of clicking send directly, click the small downward arrow next to it. This little arrow opens additional sending options, and this is where you'll find the scheduling feature. From the menu that appears, click Schedule Send. Gmail will then show you a few suggested dates and times that you can choose from. These preset options are useful if one of them already matches when you want the email to be delivered. If you see a date and time that works for you, simply select it. If you want more control over exactly when the email is sent, click Pick Date and Time. This lets you customize the delivery schedule based on your own preference. Choose the date you want, set the time carefully, and double check it before confirming. This is especially useful if timing matters, such as when you're emailing someone in a different time zone or planning ahead for a specific deadline. After selecting either a suggested option or your custom date and time, click Schedule Send to confirm. Gmail will then save your message and automatically send it at the time you selected. And that's it. Your email is now scheduled instead of being sent immediately. This is a simple feature, but it can make your communication feel more organized and professional. If you found this helpful, you can use the same process anytime you want to plan emails ahead and stay on top of your inbox more efficiently.